Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon, all. Today we start with the our topic, but little bit overview for the unit. We are going to study the unit number 5, Information Theoretic Approach to Communication System. Information Theoretic Approach to Communication System. This is uh, this is the unit we have studied. In fifth unit, Introduction to Information Theory, which we have already covered, entropy and its properties, source coding theorem, Huffman coding, Shannon-Fenton coding, discrete memoryless channel, mutual information, channel capacity, channel coding theorem, differential entropy, and mutual information for continuous ensemble information capacity theorem. This point we have to cover. In in previous lectures we have completed introduction to information theory, entropy and its properties, source coding theorem, Huffman coding is there. What in Huffman coding we take example on it, and learn to make tree, to wet that tree and calculate the different parameters by using Huffman coding. Also, you also learn the Shannon-Fenton coding. Okay, in Shannon-Fenton, what we do, we also do the we have to separate each node independently, right? Discrete memoryless channel we have studied. Now turn towards the, now we have to cover the mutual information, channel capacity, channel coding theorem, differential entropy, and mutual information for continuous ensemble information capacity theorem, right? We overlook all the concept today before moving to further. Clear? This is the basic communication, digital communication block diagram is there, right? Information source is there. After that, format. Next block is source encode. After that, encrypt data. After that, channel encode, multiplexer, modulator, spread. Nanta, after that, multiple access is there, right? In second input, information sync is there, format is there, source decode. In upper side encode, in next side there is a transmission side, and receiver side there is a two sides. In transmission side, multiple axis is there, right? Which is the information given by transmission, it gives towards the input of receiver, right? Multiple axis is there, fade, disperse, disparate is there, demodulate it, multiplexer, channel decoder is there, decrypt data and source decode, it goes to the format and information sync. This is the basic digital communication system. Clear? What happened? What happened here? Character coding, sample quantization, pulse code modulation, right? See these blocks. Now I move towards the introduction. The purpose of communication system to carry information, bringing base band signal from the place to other. While information theory is mathematical modeling and analysis of a communication system which deal with a redundancy of data and rate of transmission of data, which ultimately deals with entropy and capacity of channel. Entropy is probabilistic behavior of an information source. Channel capacity is ability of channel to convey information. If entropy of channel is less than the channel capacity, error-free transmission over channel exists. Clear? Uncertainty, information and entropy. What is the information? Information is the data in the form of ones and zeros is the message. Information theory is a mathematical approach to the study of coding of information along with the qualification, storage and communication of information. So, if we consider an event, there are three conditions of occurrence. How much conditions are there? Three conditions. First is if the event has not occurred, there is condition of uncertainty. Clear? Second, if the event has not occurred, there is a condition of surprise. And if the event has occurred, the time back, there is a condition of having some information. These conditions help us gain knowledge on the probabilities of the occurrence of event. Information. Uncertainty can be reduced by obtaining unknown information. Thus, information is the difference of uncertainties. Therefore, uncertainty before, uncertainty after. Information comes from measurement, test, or experiment. Higher the probability we are certain of an event means no information. Low probability we are uncertain of occurrence of the event means more information. Higher degree of uncertainty, more information is there. Clear? There is three conditions. One is what? Uncertainty can be reduced by obtaining unknown information, right? Information is the difference of uncertainties. Information is equals to uncertainty before and uncertainty after. Information comes from measurement, test and experiment. Higher the probability we are certain of the event means no information. Low probability we are uncertain of the occurrence of the event means more information. Higher degree of uncertainty, more information. Information equation I of P is equals to minus log of P of B, right? P is equals to probability of the event happening. B is the best. Best 2 is mostly used in information theory. Unit of information is determined by base 2 is equals to bits. Base 3 is equals to trees. Base 3 is equals to Hartleys and base E is equals to nats. Clear? Unit of information, if the base is 2, that is binary data is there, then bits. Base 3 tries treats. Okay. Base 10 is Hartleys. Base E is nats. Clear? Base 2 is mostly used in information theory in binary format. Clear? Example of calculating information. Coin toss are two probabilities in fair coin which are head and tail. Clear? 1 rupee coin is there. There is a two side. Clear? One is head, another is tail. So if you get the either head or tail, you will get 1 bit of information through following formula. Head is equals to minus log of 5 is equals to 1 bit 0.5. Clear? Minus log of that coin's value is equals to 1 bit. 1 is single bit is there, that's why 1 bit. Okay. Entropy can be defined as a measure of the average information content per source symbol. Claude Shannon, the father of the information theory, provide a formula for it as Who is the father of information theory? Claude Shannon. Okay. Then what is entropy? Is defined as the measure of the average information contents per source symbol. It is calculated by using following formula is equals to H is equals to H is entropy. Entropy is denoted by capital H is equals to the minus summation of I. Pi log of B Pi, where Pi is a probability of occurrence. Clear? B is the base of algorithm used. This is called as Shannon entropy. Example of tossing a coin. There are two probabilities is where coin that are head 5 and tail if we calculate entropy. Entropy is equals to minus 0.5 log of 5.5 minus 0.5 log of 0.5. When we solve this, we get 1, that is 1 bit. Therefore, we can say that entropy is greatest when the probability of the are equal likely, that is there exists minimum uncertainty. Probability of entropy. Clear? Probability of S is greater than or equal to 0, then entropy is non-negative. As probabilities lies between 0 and 1, entropy is non-negative. Clear? H of x is greater than or equal to 0, then entropy is non-negative. As probability lie between 0 to 1, entropy is non-negative. H of x is equals to 0, P of xi is equals to 1 for some value of I and all other values are 0. If entropy is equals to 0, the probability of xi is equals to 1 for some value of I and all other values are 0. Clear? Entropy of x is equals to log of 2 of m if and only if P of xi is equals to 1 per m for all I. 0 is less than or equal to h of x is less than or equal to log of 2m. Information rate is of information, number of messages per second into average information per message. What we can write? R of h of x minus bits per second. Next is source coding theorem. In communication system, efficient representation of the data for a discrete source is obtained by source coding. Discrete memoryless source is there, SK. Then a source encoder is there, BK. Primary sequence is there, right? Our aim is to develop an efficient encoder. For this, there are two requirements. Code produced by encoder is in binary form. It should be uniquely decodable. Code efficiency for the encoder is formulated using L dash is equals to summation of k's values varying from 0 to 1 pk, where L dash represents average number of bits produced per symbol, pk is probability of the symbol.